I'm Celeste Andrews with GetHealthyCarolina.com, and I'm a licensed Food for Life instructor with the Physicians Committee. And today we're going to make this fantastic no-oil miso vinaigrette. Enjoy.
Every journey starts somewhere. Let your journey to optimum health start here. Transform your health with the power of plants with Get Healthy Carolina.
We're going to start with the liquid from 1 can of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, and it comes out to about 3/4 of a cup. Just going to pour that in there, and then a 1/2 cup of lemon juice. You can of course use fresh. I'm using bottled, works out just fine. A 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. You can also use white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, whatever kind of vinegar you want in your vinaigrette. And then this is 2 tablespoons of the mellow white miso. Miso is a fermented soy product. They also have a chickpea miso if you are eliminating soy from your diet for whatever reason. So we're going to put the 2 tablespoons of miso in there. And then we've also got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's going to add a little bit of sweetness. And 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Usually comes in a tub that looks like this, and you can also save this and refill it from the bulk bins if you do have a store, a co-op or a grocery store that offers bulk bins, and it's a little less expensive. And then we've got 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to mix this up a little bit. And then we're going to pour it into our jar that we've saved. And there goes the miso. And then we're going to shake this up. You can of course also put it in a blender or use an immersion blender to break it up a little bit more. And this is best to make a couple of hours ahead of time if possible. Put it in the refrigerator and let the flavors blend. And there we have our beautiful miso vinaigrette. Enjoy.